challenges in the manufacturing sector. One is about productivity. Productivity is the key for us to have the competitive advantage in the market. The quality, to maintain consistent product quality, skilled and competent workforce. This is Ravi Sastry, Managing Director, Festo India. Customer success is our success. When we say we work with our customer, we work on seamless automation. We are one of the few companies who work on pneumatic, electric, software. We also have digital customer journey. Customer is provided with software where they can design their machine. We can also use for selecting the product, and they can also order. This is what we call digital customer journey. And Festo works closely with customer on sustainability. Sustainability is key for the success of the organization. Festo is the world leader in industrial automation. Last year we celebrated 100 years of Festo. This year is also special because Festo India is celebrating 40 years of its formation in India. We are happy to participate in this exhibition, and we have had great response from our customers. We could speak to them on their challenges, how Festo can work with them with shoulder to shoulder to solve their problems.